Windows 11 is getting a big upgrade with some really cool AI improvements. Today, we're going deep into the world of Windows 11 and how it uses artificial intelligence. We'll talk about the new Windows Copilot, the impressive Onyx runtime, and the improved AI powered Microsoft Store. This video has all the information you need. But there's more. We'll also check out the new tools for developers. These tools help them make apps that use AI. And if that's not enough, we'll also see what's new in Microsoft Paint. Get ready because the AI changes in Windows 11 are amazing. Alright, let's dive right in. Microsoft has been all in on AI for a while now, leveraging its Azure cloud platform, Bing search engine, and Edge browser. But now, they're taking AI to the next level with Windows 11, making it the first PC platform to introduce centralized AI assistants. This game changing move is all about making your life easier and more efficient. They made this groundbreaking announcement at the annual Microsoft Build 2023 event, where they showcased a whole bunch of new features that will transform Windows 11 into the smartest operating system on the block. Now, the crown jewel of these innovations is Windows Copilot, your integrated AI assistant. Picture this. It's just a click away on your taskbar, and once you summon it, it stays with you as a handy sidebar no matter what apps or windows you're working with. It's like having your assistant right there on your screen. Windows Copilot is powered by Bing Chat, a smart AI chatbot that understands human language like a pro. You can type or talk to Copilot using the chat box at the bottom of the sidebar, and it'll spring into action with the information or actions you need. For example, you can ask it to open an app, copy and paste text or images, organize windows side by side, grab a quick screenshot, check for updates, or even search the web. The possibilities are endless. But that's not all. Here's where it gets really exciting. Windows Copilot is super versatile thanks to its support for plugins. This means you can seamlessly tap into features from third party apps without leaving what you're currently doing. Want to book a flight with Expedia? Order some delicious food with Uber Eats? Send a quick email with Outlook? Or jam out to your favorite tunes on Spotify? Copilot's got you covered. Alright, let's get into the second exciting area we've got on our plate: the awesome AI tools that Microsoft is offering to developers for Windows 11. Microsoft is all about empowering developers to create cutting edge AI powered apps that'll blow your mind. They're doing this by harnessing the might of their Azure cloud platform and their very own X runtime engine. Now, don't get lost in the tech jargon, but it's called Onyx, which stands for Open Neural Network Exchange. Basically, it's a super smart way of representing machine learning models that can work on all sorts of different devices and platforms. Thanks to this Onyx runtime, developers can run their AI models on Windows 11 and other devices, whether it's your CPU, GPU, or PU, or even a mix of all of these. The beauty of it is, it's designed to work seamlessly with Azure, so your app can tap into local resources or the mighty power of the Azure cloud, depending on what makes the most sense for the task at hand. Now, here's where it gets more exciting. Microsoft has teamed up with some heavy hitters in the tech world like AMD, Intel, Nvidia, and Qualcomm. These partnerships are all about optimizing those nifty AI tools for Windows 11. How? By providing developers with drivers, libraries, and software development kits or SDKs that let them tap into the latest and greatest hardware innovations. The result? AI that performs like a champ on Windows 11. Now, let's dive into another exciting upgrade: the AI integration inside the Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is your go to spot for finding and grabbing all kinds of goodies for your Windows 11 device, like apps, games, movies, TV shows, and much more. And guess what? It's getting a brainy boost with AI features that'll make your experience even better. First up, we've got the personalized recommendations engine. This fancy thing uses machine learning to get to know you better. It studies your browsing and shopping history to suggest stuff that's right up your alley. You'll see content recommendations that match your preferences and interests. Plus, you can check out ratings and reviews from other users who share your tastes. It's like having your own personal shopper right in the store. But that's not all. Say hello to the voice search feature. With this nifty addition, you can use your voice to find exactly what you're after. Just tell it what you want, like show me action games or play the latest episode of The Mandalorian, and the Microsoft Store will fetch the results you're looking for or start playing your chosen content right there. It's like magic at your fingertips. And the good news doesn't stop there. The Microsoft Store is also getting a fresh new look. It's going to be more visually appealing and super easy to use. The new design comes with a sleek, modern layout, bigger icons, smoother animations, and faster loading times. Plus, if you're a fan of the dark mode, you're in luck because it supports that too. This means the store is going to be even more user friendly and stylish. Now, let's explore some more exciting updates and big news from Microsoft in the world of Windows 11 and AI. At the 2023 Build event, Microsoft had some exciting revelations to share. First off, they've been working hard on making Windows 11 more compatible with ARM based systems. ARM, which stands for Advanced RISC Machine, is a processor architecture that's known for its power efficiency and flexibility, especially when compared to the traditional x86 processors. ARM based systems are increasingly popular in devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops because they offer longer battery life, better performance, and sleeker designs. Microsoft's not just stopping there. They're bringing ARM support to various programs, apps, and open source projects that run on Windows 11. For example, they've rolled out middleware projects like Win UI3, React Native for Windows, and Flutter for Windows. These tools are a game changer for developers because they allow them to create apps that can run smoothly on both x86 and ARM devices. And that's not all. Microsoft has also enabled programs such as Visual Studio Code, PowerShell, and Edge Dev tools to run natively on ARM devices. Plus, they've got a lineup on exciting programs like Adobe Photoshop Elements, Autodesk Sketchbook, Unity Editor, and Minecraft Java Edition planned for ARM based devices. This will join the list of apps that already support the ARM on Windows 11, including Office 365, Netflix, Spotify, and Zoom. But wait, there's more. Microsoft Teams, your trusty communication and collaboration platform, is getting a fantastic upgrade called Communities. This feature makes it easier for you to connect with people who share your interests and passions. You can hop into a community for your favorite hobby, sport, game, or show. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can create your own community and invite others to join. The best part is that communities are more informal and open ended compared to teams. You don't need to be part of a formal organization or have a specific goal or project. You just need to share something in common with the members of the community. This is a fantastic way to expand your network, learn new things, and have a blast with like minded folks. You can chat, share files, create polls, schedule events, and even make video calls with your community members. Plus, you get to personalize your community with a name, description, logo, and cover photo. Microsoft Teams is also introducing some fresh features to supercharge your community experience. Now, you can accept or decline requests to join a community, grant certain members control as owners, and send posts as emails. And here's another cool twist. There's a new integration with GroupMe, a free group messaging app. It lets you chat with anyone who has a phone number, and you can use it to invite people to your communities or join existing ones. And if you've been dealing with RAW files, you'll love this one. Windows 11 is stepping up its game by supporting RAW files natively. So, no more messing around with third party software or tools to open or extract RAR files on Windows. You'll be able to do all of that seamlessly using File Explorer or the context menu. This is a game changer for anyone working with RAW files, making it a whole lot easier and smoother on Windows 11. Alright, here's the scoop on the final update, and it's something many Windows users have been waiting for. Dark mode support for the beloved Microsoft Paint, along with some nifty improvements to its zoom capabilities. Now, Microsoft Paint may not have seen a ton of changes over the years, but it's still a fan favorite. This simple app lets you create and tweak basic drawings and images using fundamental tools and colors. But here's the exciting part. Microsoft is giving Paint a well-deserved upgrade. First up, let's talk about dark mode. It's a nifty feature that lets you change the color scheme of an app or interface from the usual light look to a stylish dark one. Dark mode not only looks cool, but can also reduce eye strain, save your device's battery life, and give a more modern vibe. Many Windows 11 users prefer the darker aesthetic, and now you can enjoy it in Paint too. Paint will seamlessly switch to dark mode if you've already turned it on in your system settings. Plus, you have the option to manually toggle it on or off from the app's settings. It's all about giving you the flexibility to work comfortably. And that's not all. Microsoft Paint is also getting a boost in its zoom support. This means you can easily zoom in or out of your canvas using your trusty mouse wheel or touchpad gestures. These small but handy improvements will make working in Paint even more user friendly and efficient. So, whether you're an artist, a doodler, or just someone who enjoys creating simple images, these updates are bound to enhance your experience with Microsoft Paint. Time to get creative! Now, as we wrap up this exciting journey through Windows 11's amazing AI upgrades, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite AI feature that we've explored today? Is it the incredibly helpful Windows Copilot, the game changing AI tools for developers, or the smart enhancements in the Microsoft Store? Maybe you're thrilled about Windows 11's growing compatibility with ARM based systems or the stylish dark mode in Microsoft Paint. Tell us in the comments below which one has you most excited, and if you've got any questions or thoughts about Windows 11's AI revolution, feel free to share those too. Your feedback is important, and we can't wait to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.